Good day, everyone. We are interrupting science class to inform about a genetic disorder called Adrenoleukodystrophy. Now we're gonna pass to the report. Maria Antonieta.
Thank you, Jocelina. Today we're here at Hospital São Rafael to learn more about this disease by interviewing a family whose child has been recently diagnosed with this disorder. Here we have Mariana Araújo and her son Nicolas Araújo, and here we have Doutora Juliana Oliveira. So, can you give me a basic summary of this disease?
Sure. So it's basically like this. The X chromosome is default and mutated, and it prevents the body from creating the protein which allows the long-chain fatty acids to be broken down. In ALD, these long-chain fatty acids start accumulating and deteriorating the myelin, which is the protection of the nerves, which creates a misfunction of the nervous system.
Juliana, tell me, what are other names for this disease?
Adrenoleukodystrophy can also be called childhood cerebral adrenoleukodystrophy, ALD, or shoulder addition.
Let's ask Mariana Araújo, who has lived with a child with this disease for many years. What are the symptoms of this?
He has hearing problems. He also has vision problems. He has spasms and muscle problems, difficulties in school, and he became hyperactive.
Okay, let's go to the next question. Could this disorder have been prevented?
Yes. Genetic counseling is recommended for prospective parents with a family history of X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy.
What population is affected? Can anyone be a candidate for this disorder?
This disorder affects mostly males because they only need one mutated X chromosome, while women need two mutated X chromosomes. This disorder is very rare and only affects 1 in about 20,000.
What kind of medical assistance will be needed for the affected child? What is the long-term outlook for this children?
There is no treatments for X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy yet, but eating a diet with very low and very long chain fatty acids and taking special oils can lower the blood level.
How is it inherited? Is it sex-linked, recessive, and or dominant?
ALD is a sex-linked disease, which means that the faulty gene is on the sex chromosome, X for female and Y for male. The defective gene is the X chromosome.
Are there prenatal tests for this disorder?
Yes. Prenatal diagnosis of X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy is also available.
So the child is expected to die, right?
The long-term outlook is progressive disease that leads to a long-term coma. About 2 years after neurological symptoms develop, the child can live in this condition for as long as 10 years until death occurs.
Now we're back to you, Rosalina.
Thank you for your attention, and you may proceed to your science class. Dystrophy. Cala a boca, Daniela.
Are there any treatments or cures? Assim.
Oh,
Ela não anda.
Ela desfila. Ela é top.
Tá, vamos, é sério.
Prenatal. É prenatal.
Prenatal. Que parece prenatal?
gravemente.
Ah, tá.
We have adrenoleukodystrophy with this disorder.